In this video you will learn how to make a process map diagram using eDrawMax.
In this video we will learn how to make a process map. Before we begin, let's understand what a process map is. Process maps visually represent a process or workflow in a step-by-step manner. A process map breaks down a process into steps, usually in sequential order. Now, let's learn how to make a process map using eDrawMax. First, navigate to File, click on New, then select Flowchart from Categories, then choose Basic Flowchart. In this video, we're going to recreate a sales process flowchart. Click on the plus icon and start building the flowchart in a new drawing sheet. On the left, you'll see the basic flowchart shapes in the library. Drag and drop the basic flowchart shapes onto the canvas and fill any necessary fields according to your business's requirements. Here, I'm continuing to build the sales process flowchart by interconnecting the symbols accordingly. Once done with building the flowchart, use the color palettes to fill different shapes with different colors to make it look more beautiful. Add a title to the flowchart with appropriate font size and style. Now right-click and choose the Fit to Drawing option to fit the flowchart on the drawing sheet. Navigate to Page Layout and select a suitable background color. After that, navigate to View and click on the Current Page icon to view the flowchart in a single frame. Now let's see a few examples of process maps you can create using eDrawMax. Performance testing, property buying process flowchart, software development flowchart, wastewater treatment flowchart. Similarly, eDrawMax has numerous diagram examples to use as resources. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more diagram videos.
This brings us to the end of the presentation. Remember, for the best choice in diagram drawing software, choose eDrawMax, which can be found by clicking on the eDrawMax link in my description below.